Welcome back. In the last module, we trained our push muscles. Today, we'll focus on the pull muscles of the upper body. These muscles help us pull objects towards us, improve our posture, and stabilize our shoulders. We'll learn 3 new exercises: the row, the pull down, and the supinated curl. As always, our main goal is to learn good technique before increasing the weight. Let's begin. Today, we'll train 3 important muscle groups. The first is the upper back. These muscles pull your shoulders backwards and help you maintain good posture. The second muscle group is the latissimus dorsi, often called the lats. These are the large muscles on the sides of your back. They help pull your arms downwards and backwards. Finally, we have the biceps. The biceps bend your elbow and assist in many pulling movements. Just like the push muscles, these muscles usually work together during compound exercises. Let's quickly review 2 important concepts. A compound exercise trains several joints and several muscles at the same time. Today's compound exercises are the row and the pull down. These exercises are excellent for building overall upper body strength. An isolation exercise mainly focuses on one muscle. Today's isolation exercise is the supinated curl. It allows us to train the biceps more directly. A balanced workout usually includes both compound and isolation exercises. Our first exercise is the row. This is one of the best exercises for strengthening your upper back. It also helps improve your posture. Many people spend long hours sitting at a desk. The row helps strengthen the muscles that keep your shoulders back and your upper body stable. When performing the exercise, think about pulling your elbows backwards. Don't simply pull with your hands. Imagine that your elbows are leading the movement. Keep your back straight throughout the exercise. Let's look at some common mistakes. Many beginners try to pull mainly with their arms. Instead, focus on using your back muscles. Another common mistake is rounding the back. Keep your spine in a comfortable, neutral position. Avoid leaning too far backwards. And don't shrug your shoulders towards your ears. Here's today's coach's tip. Pull your elbows backwards, not your hands. This simple cue helps activate the back muscles much more effectively. Our second exercise is the pull down. This is another compound exercise and it mainly trains the latissimus dorsi or lats. These muscles are responsible for many pulling movements and play an important role in good posture. Sit comfortably at the machine. Pull the bar towards your upper chest in a slow and controlled movement. Think about pulling your elbows down towards your sides. Avoid rushing. The pull down is one of the best beginner exercises for building upper body pulling strength. Here are a few common mistakes. First, don't pull the bar behind your neck. Instead, pull it towards your upper chest. Avoid swinging your body backwards to move heavier weights. Use your muscles, not momentum. Also, don't rush the movement. Control both the downward and the upward phase. Finally, complete the full range of motion. Today's coach's tip is pull the bar towards your upper chest. This position is safer for your shoulders and allows the lats to work more effectively. Our final exercise today is the supinated curl. This is an isolation exercise that mainly trains the biceps. It's also one of the easiest exercises for beginners to learn. Stand comfortably. Keep your elbows close to your body. Only your forearms should move during the exercise. Lift the weight slowly. Lower it slowly. Don't rush. Remember, the goal isn't to move the weight quickly. The goal is to make your muscles do the work. Now let's look at a few common mistakes. Many beginners swing their upper body to lift heavier weights. Avoid this. Another common mistake is moving the elbows forward during the curl. Keep your elbows close to your sides throughout the exercise. Don't use momentum. And don't simply let the weight fall back down. Lower it slowly and under control. Today's coach's tip is keep your elbows close to your body throughout the movement. This helps keep the focus on the biceps. Now it's time to put everything together. Today's beginner workout includes 3 exercises. Start with the row. Perform 2 sets of 10 to 12 repetitions. Next, complete the pull down. Again, perform 2 sets of 10 to 12 repetitions. Finally, finish with the supinated curl. Perform 2 sets of 12 to 15 repetitions. Rest for about 60 to 90 seconds between sets. As always, focus on good technique and slow, controlled movements. The weight can increase later. Good technique comes first. I'll see you in the next lesson.